Here's my take on CHFJPY. Looking at the monthly chart, we can tell that we have more sellers in the market. The bears are gaining momentum, and based on the formation we have on the monthly chart, we could say CHFJPY is bearish. Okay, let's see what we have on the weekly. On the weekly last week, we had an engulfing candle after formation of two candlesticks, indicating that the buyers are getting exhausted. This was a spinning top and a spinning top, two spinning top indicates weakness, exhaustion. Okay, so the buyers are getting exhausted, and I think what played out last 2 weeks was stop hunting. I think they hunted for the stops. They knew a lot of people would have executed sell after the formation of this spinning top. Many would have entered sell after the formation of this spinning top and also the formation of this spinning top, and most will have their stop loss at this level and also at this level. So what I think played out 2 weeks ago was that the stops at this level were hunted, okay, which they have achieved, and that's why you'd say last week was strongly bearish. It was strongly bearish. So this is a strong indication that we have more sellers in the market, so we should expect more bearish move this week. But before price would drop, we should expect a pullback. That's my expectation. I expect a pullback to the pivot of this candle, which will be around this level. Okay, to get a pivot of a candle, you add up the high low close of the candle and divide whatever value you get by 3. That gives you the pivot. So I will be looking for opportunity to sell CHFJPY at this level. I'll be waiting for price to pull back to this level before I consider selling. And if the first 4-hour candle closes bullish as we have it now by 2, right, this candle will close and we'll have a support. Okay, it will be the new support, the most recent support if this candlestick closes bullish. So it's either price pulls back up to this pivot. Okay, it's either price pulls back to the pivot level. Okay, so it's either price pulls back to the pivot of this level for me to sell, or if this first candle 4-hour closes bullish, if there is a breakout from the support, then I can consider selling. And if it breaks out from the support, we should expect price to drop to this next support. Okay, so I'm looking. I have 2 entries now. Either price pulls back to this pivot level for me to consider selling, or the first candlestick for the day closes bullish so that we could have a new support. Then if price breaks out from that support, I could consider selling CHFJPY. Let's see what we have on daily. Okay, last Friday candlestick broke out from a support, right? It broke out from a support which has become a resistance. So we could experience a pullback to this broken support stone resistance before price dropping. So entry will be at this level. Okay, my entry if price pulls back to this level, because they know a lot of people would have executed a sell trade and stop loss will be at this level, so they might want to hunt for stop losses at this level. The stop losses at this level might not be that much, but at this level a lot of people would have executed a sell trade after the formation of this engulfing candle, which is breakout from a support. A lot of people will set their stop loss at this level, so there is a high probability that they will hunt for the stop losses at this level before price starts dropping. That is my take on CHFJPY. So this week I am looking for opportunity to sell CHFJPY. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.